I'm bleaching my hair again, and I don't know why, but I feel the need to record this, as if this doesn't happen, like, every few months. Oh, also, hi, my name is Summer. That's my name. I'm gonna do what Brad Mondo says to do. He says you're supposed to split your hair up into 4 sections, so I'm gonna try my best to do that. I have a pack of combs. These are from like Five Below, so that's how you know I'm serious. That's how you know I'm a professional. He said like behind your ears, I think, and you go up. I'm not gonna rewatch the video right now. Sorry, Brad. We don't have time for that. Also, I cut my bangs myself. You can't see them very well right now because they're up in there. I cut them myself using the curtain bang tutorial. Thanks, Brad Mondo. They came out very slay. Split her in half. All right, Brad. There's my 4 sections. Are they even? They're definitely not, because a lot of it felt thicker than the rest of it. They're all right. Good plan. Good plan. I've never looked better than this, honestly. When have I looked this good before? I have some Vaseline. I'm just gonna put it in my eyebrows for now, because I don't care if the bleach gets anywhere. It's the dye that I'm worried about. Oh yeah, I'm dyeing my hair. It's gonna be like a pinky purple. We're going for like magenta, but the purple that I got is a lot more blue than I thought it was gonna be. It's these 2 colors mixed together, except I have 3 of the pinker ones. Imagine if I bleached my eyebrows. Let me know if I should do that sometime. I feel like bleaching my eyebrows would be hella funny. And clearly I don't care about my hair, or I wouldn't be bleaching it this often. So I'd be willing to do that if it was funny enough. I look like a scientist. This is the bleach I got. It says 1.5 to 2, but I don't like dealing with halves. So we are doing 3 to 4, which is the same thing if you multiply it by 2. Anyway. You'd think if I was going to do that, I would be willing to deal with halves, but I'm not. I don't care. We're not dealing with halves. It says 1 scoop is 1.5 then. There's half of this left, so this will be 4. Are you sure? That looks like a lot. Well, I put it all in there, so. Oh, and don't worry. This is not all that I have a volumizer, because my hair, I have a lot of hair. So not only do I have the rest of the tub of bleach, but I have an even bigger bottle of volumizer in case, you know. So usually what happens is I'll do like half of my head, realize I don't have enough for the rest of my head, and then I freak out and send my mom to the store while I'm crying with bleach in my hair. I'm like, please. But I didn't want that to happen this time, so I bought a lot of it. Oh, uh-oh. Anyway, so if it comes out too clumpery, I'm gonna have to add more. Come in and say hi. Mom. Oh no, you're in the mirror, see? It's you.
Hi, Mom.
Don't say hi. What are you saying hi, Mom? I was telling you as Mom to say hi.
You told me to say hi, Mom, so I said it.
So I'm mixing this up nice and well. I watched some videos yesterday, kind of to hype me up for this, of Brad Mondo showing me how to bleach my hair. But also, I watched a lot of bleach fails of people like literally losing all of their hair and having to shave their head. But you know what? Honestly, they looked great afterwards. So I can't cry that much if it happens. Okay, here's my first little section of hair right here. And I'm not gonna get to the roots because you don't. Thanks, Brad. So we're just gonna brush it through nice and brushed. And we're gonna do a little bit at a time and just add some bleach. And we're gonna not touch the roots, because why the hell would we touch the roots, Summer? Don't ever do that. Holy shit, I'm scared now. I wasn't scared, but now I'm scared. Yeah, let's go. Holy crap. Okay, there's bleach in my hair, so there's no going back now. There's already bleach. I know this isn't enough. I'm gonna put a lot more, don't you even worry. But, holy crap. There's bleach in my hair now. My boyfriend's coming over, and I think he is also bleaching his hair. I think we're saturated enough on this piece. I keep putting more in there, though, just in case. We're going for it, guys. We're just going for it. I just dripped it on the floor, but lucky for you, Brad. Lucky for you. And for me, I followed your instructions and I put something on the floor. I don't know why I'm saying lucky for you. It's not your floor. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing. I didn't go up all the way. I'm saturating it a whole bunch. It's not up to my roots. My eyes are watering. I'm excited.
What do I do?
Just grab some and slap it in
How
there
long do I have it in there for?
until it's blonde. It literally says like up to like, I think it says like 50 minutes, but it says until desired lift.
How do I know? Will it...
You'll be able to see.
Oh.
You will be able to see.
Alright, so I just take some.
Yeah. Look at this. Look at that.
I'm scared.
Casey, look.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This is so exciting for me.
How much do I...
Just a lot.
A lot?
I don't...
Alright. And then...
Are you gonna shampoo it on?
I don't know. What do I...
Just put it on there. Just rub it in.
Like it's shampoo, pretty much?
I mean, probably don't scrub because don't
scrub.
scratch your scalp or it'll get in there and it'll hurt.
Oh, okay.
It's bleach, dog. You're so tall, you're not in it.
No, I am. Alright. Alright, ready?
Yes. I'm excited for you. You can get more than that.
Alright.
You need a lot more than that. Do you want to use the brush and paint it?
I don't know.
I'm trying to see what you look like, but I can't see.
You can see me in the mirror.
I can. It's gonna be so blonde.
I know. I'm scared.
Like, it looks funny right now. Don't get it in your eyebrows.
I will not.
Then you got blonde eyebrows.
That's a W, okay?
What's up? What's up?
How's the back? Do I need more?
Yeah, do you want me to do it?
Yeah, can you?
Yeah.
Oh, that feels weird.
I could have just done it quickly.
Oh, I'm listening to everything that Brad Mondo told me to do. I sectioned my hair into 4 sections, and I didn't bleach the roots first. Brad Mondo should be proud of me. What if he reacts to this? Hi, Brad Mondo. He probably won't see this.
What's up, Brady boy?
Brady, he could see this. There's a possibility. I've ruined my hair a lot of times.
It's like you're trying to cover every part of your scalp with shampoo, basically, but not like.
Yeah. You want everything to be like soaking wet. Like you used way too much conditioner. That's what you. But except it doesn't. It does the opposite of conditioner.
Summer, bro. This is crazy.
You're gonna be so blonde.
I know. That's crazy.
I think it's gonna look so good.
I sure hope so.
It will.
Maybe next I'll dye it. I don't know. All of the colors at once. I'll put a color wheel on my head.
Please.
I can't tell.
Does it feel like it's wet? Does
head.
it feel saturated?
Yeah.
Like a lot?
I don't know.
Oh, not the toes.
Dog, you got it on my shoe.
No! I'm so sorry. I'm gonna cry now.
No, it's kind of badass, actually. Well, I don't care. They're already ripped.
A little bleach blob.
I'll get it after.
Yeah. Your hair's already turning blonde.
I know, bro. Yeah, it does feel weird. Like it feels.
It feels a little icky, huh?
Yeah, not even just like icky. Like, ugh.
Like, ooh.
Like it's eating me.
Well, it is.
Shit.
Oh no.
Alright, I'm gonna rub some more, like in the back corners, like right here. Yeah, you feel me?
Yep. Imagine you had $1 of bleach and it was just like on your pants. That'd be kind of funny.
Yeah.
On your black pants. Why did you wear black pants?
Dude, I didn't process it. I only own black pants, bro. Like straight up.
Wait,
This is giving me flashbacks to the TikTok video we saw of the girl who left it in too long and her hair fell out.
Don't tell me that right now. I watched so many compilations of people doing it wrong yesterday. I was like, I'm not gonna be like them.
Am I doing it right so far?
Yes, I was like, I'm better than them.
I have pretty short hair. How?
Just wait until it looks like, because you don't want it to be orange.
Oh, yeah. You
give it a little bit.
You want to get it so it gets to that blonde threshold, but you want to overdo it.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Well, if you underdo it, that's when it'll be orange.
Oh, okay.
If you overdo it, it'll be like bright white.
That's a W, low key.
That is not a W.
Dude, I should dye it white.
You should.
Like silver.
Do we want to go look at hair dye after this?
We can. Like after I shower.
Yeah. Really, I don't know if we'll have time because I have to shower.
Oh, dude, you know who I look like?
Who?
Like if I dyed it silver, I'd look like the animated Jack Frost. Like from that movie.
Yeah.
Would you say I have enough on?
I would say. Do you have right here?
Where?
Here. Oh. Oops.
Goofy out. Should I take off my gloves?
Yeah. Hey, so underneath the brown there was pink. And so we're getting the pink again, which is lovely. I love that for me. I did all the roots. I tried to section it the best I could without like trying to pull it apart too much. This looks like it's a spot. It's not. It's just wet. Because I sprayed water all over my head. Casey just showered his out. I'm waiting a little bit longer for mine. It's almost done though, I think. So he'll be down in a minute and we'll see what his looks like. I don't know if his was, I don't know how long we put his on for, maybe like a half hour. So mine's been on longer than a half hour. I did bleach. I can't tell, I don't know if you can tell, but I got bleach on my arm. And so I bleached parts of my arm. Yeah, you can see I bleached my skin in some places by accident. There's like little pieces of bleach. My neck and my ears also. I should have put Vaseline in other places, but no, I only put it on my eyebrows because I was like, it doesn't matter with the bleach. It matters for the color. But it matters for both, guys. It matters for both. So make sure you put Vaseline on. Learn from me. I'll be back after I rinse this out, I guess. Oh, slay. One round of the bleach for the Casey. I look like I'm not wearing a shirt. I am though. So Casey's looks good. And I left mine in for too long and my hair is stringy and it's, bless you,
Thanks.
and it's literally falling out. So I might not have hair, but Casey has hair and Casey's hair looks good. So that's good. What? I'm gonna just let it dry on its own. I'm not gonna put heat on it because I tried and it was
probably a good idea.
I tried to blow dry it and it was coming out and I was like, oh.
I'm gonna blow dry mine a little.
Okay.
Summer, Lily wants to feel your hair.
Oh, you can feel it. It feels horrible. Oh. What a consistency.
Oh my gosh! Hi guys!
Oh, it's Lily. It's Lily and
Hi! Oh!
Paige is back there.
This is usually our job.
Yeah, they usually help me, and it doesn't turn out like this.
We all have to get through. I had to make room.
Brad Mondo, what do I put in this to make it not look like that?
Glue.
Glue. Casey had to leave, and I'm trying not to cry. This side is fine. Like nothing happened here. Everything stayed intact. It's a little bit like tacky, but everything stayed intact over here. Over here. So this is a shirt that my sister got me. That says I never argue. I just explain why I'm right. I knew it was gonna be pink and I didn't care. I knew there was pink underneath the brown from the last time because I just dyed right over it. But yeah, this side. Why is this side better than this side? I don't understand what I did wrong. Brad Mondo, help me, save me. I'm gonna cry. I'm not really sure what to do. I have like a leave-in conditioner spray, but I'm not gonna do that yet because I am gonna color it. I didn't get this far to be left with this. While I wait for this shit to dry a little more, I'm gonna do some Googling and see if you can color on wet hair. And this is not Hot Roots. Don't get me wrong, they are a different color than the rest, but it's not Hot Roots. It is because of the color underneath had grown out. you know, so if I didn't have color on this previously, before the brown, it would all be this color. Guys, that's my hair. That's my hair coming out. That's my hair. It's just springing up and down and coming out, and it's in my hands. Lovely. This video is gonna be, I fried my hair. Brad Mondo, help me please.
I'm not gonna be like them.
What is that? It feels like ramen noodles, which is not what your hair is supposed to feel like. In case you didn't know that, you probably knew that because you don't do this stupid shit like I did. Hopefully. Don't do this, guys. Don't do this. It's fine now that it's drying. Guys. Hair isn't supposed to do what that just did. Is it all like that? I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. I'm gonna put dye on it and it's gonna be okay. I'm gonna put dye on it and it's gonna be okay. You know what my mom said? She said, do not put dye on that summer. And I said, I'm gonna put dye on it, Mom. There's gonna be dye on it. It's gonna be. It will. There will be.
I was like, I'm not gonna be like them. I was like, I'm better than them.